like when you rotate, you know. Is it not be you? Not be you.
No, not me. I beg.
Don't try rotate, oh. If not for you, I'll just stone you shoe. Don't try rotate. Softest DJ in the land.
Oh my God.
All right. You say, oh my God. All right. The show don't officially start. I'm loving my new pillow. You know, very, very yellow. You be like jiggly, jiggly, honey, honey, mini, mini, ha, 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 ha. You know, very, very Wazobia-ish. Wazobia-ish. It reminds me of one girl wig where she lived for my house.
Okay.
You know, where electric shocker.
Oh.
But the tell people these days, so seriously, I met one very, very drunk guy yesterday.
Probably.
Well, yesterday for road, I had a Sebeka stroll yesterday evening. I was jamming one very drunk guy. You know what the guy do?
No.
Because of too much drink. He parked in motor, one bad SUV, but don't drink. On the piece for near gutter. He never say, down for your park. Boom. Ekote, just jump enter, leave the motor.
As he true.
I say, just jump enter, leave the motor. Say, oh God, I say, leave local government. Drink, But so they advise people like beg, Friday on they approach small, and make they do everything, scenery, where. All right, quickly, some kind of gist they do on ground, which doesn't baffle me, but by the time I bring in my guests, I go gather chook mat on top the whole level. You know this, I talked this in yesterday, 50 Shades of Grey. That movie now don't come out now, not because of kind of wala. All of a sudden, no, somehow, I've been don't reason say this thing will happen. For inside cinema, when they finish 50 Shades of Grey, if you say they see for grand, we'll show that picture.
For true.
Yeah?
Wow.
All right, we'll see the picture. We'll see the picture. No. Because that movie, Bone, it promotes some kind of craze. Some kind of craze.
You don't see the movie?
I don't read the book.
Okay, read the book.
The book they very, very see. See what they see for grand. For inside cinema. I say, it's okay. You know, a person just forgetting things for there.
It belongs.
They can't show the thing for night.
It belongs.
So the belongings, they can't leave it. This one now maybe just too much overexcitement. They can't really say.
Just take it off.
Now souvenir now. Now souvenir.
Leave up.
For inside the cinema, now souvenir.
What could just, you know.
All right, and secondly, I don't know, easy bit. If they throw like 12 million give you, or just see 12 million for your account, what you go do?
I send from my account.
Just see, boom, just look for 12 million, don't enter.
Fear go fair cash me first. I go fair reason whether I get any contract with on the hang since you start. If I don't reason, I can't check and begin where this one they come from. But as a sharp guy, where I be, I'll run reach ATM first.
We drawing things.
You understand? All
right, you get one correct guy for our airport for there. Lagos Assembly going to decide to honor this guy. Now clean naim be. It's like 12M. We can return.
Oh,
like 12M.
Clean and see 12M for your account.
He return them.
You can return them to who?
To people. I mean, security at every.
Or instant for your account or instant for bag.
It's Siam for Akbo.
Oh.
Either way,
a generous Nigerian.
Very generous Nigerian.
Oh
I wish I'd be like that guy.
You never
Me. I will return the money to police.
Okay.
Police
even if you arrest yourself.
Niger police. Where you got Tifa?
You are not telling the truth.
Park, pull over. You died there. All right, on this P, I want to bring in my guest, my first guest, comedian of the Federal Republic. Like I talked earlier, and I go my first guest. When you see this guy not too far from a Shegwa Rizia, they see your destiny, they see your future. But this one, they much more on the sexy P. You understand me now? Coming from a man, though, you know, just on it. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, I've been looking to help me make welcome my first guest for today. In name, na T-Laff. Hey!
What kind of people?
Hey, you go break our
What's up, bro?
Yo! What up, man?
Man, I did. Man, I better leave that scene.
You know, this one we carry back, get at the show today.
Well, this one we don't put book here,
you know, not for reading things. No, this show, not just they make noise and we like to do a studios.
But for this show, now they talk about electric too.
Different things, you know, electric, research, you know, gist and board, different things. But this bag where you carry comes to, what's the plan?
Oh, boss, things we did and now from Canada.
From Canada. They say on this show, they say when you are good, you understand? And that's the reason why they get gifts. and I believe say you get gifts from
But I don't carry my car. Come. I beg.
you want to know come?
Make person. I will give person. Make they give Okada money.
Okada.
No,
Oh, Okada you take carry. You carry Okada from Canada.
Leave that airport day here now.
Which kind of squeeze 50 naira?
You don't start again, Ogbolor.
No, I just the